How to search for nearby places on Instagram map. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. You will land to the home page. At the bottom, you'll find different options. Head towards this search icon. Now at the top, you can see the search box. Over there, type in name of the place that you want to search for. You will land to this kind of page where map will also appear. Just tap on it. With that, you will be able to find the place that you have searched for in the map. Tapping on this icon, you will be able to show the location of this place. Likewise, over here you will see the search icon. Just tap on it. Here you can just type in the name of the restaurants, cafes, hotels that is located in this place, and it will appear. So this is how you can search for nearby places on Instagram map. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.